Hey everybody, it's Ryan, KC9OZA. I'm doing another quick video here. This is another product by CrazyHamSales. You can check him out at CrazyHamSales.com or on eBay, search for CrazyHamSales. And this is his 80mm computer fan bracket for the Yaesu FTM 400, 8800, and 8900. And what it is it is a 3D printed bracket that has mounting holes for any 80mm computer fan. I just used hot glue. It has two tabs here, and what this does is the heat sink fins on your radio. You just push these down in there. They're a snug fit so it doesn't move, and then all you do is once you do that and you mount up your computer fan is you just hook the power up to any 12-volt source. Here I have terminated this to Anderson power poles, so this just goes on the top of my FTM 400. I plug it into my Anderson power pole distribution block. It runs the fan, helps blow air on the heat sink, keeping the radio cool. Nice little product. Again, this is by the CrazyHamSales. You can find him at CrazyHamSales.com or on eBay. Just search for CrazyHamSales. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell notification for any future videos. And we'll say 73s.